in group disability. She was offered these benefits through her employer, and she, for the first 36 months, had met the definition of total disability, which was unable to perform the substantial material duties of her occupation as an RN. But what she didn't realize was that definition after 36 months changed to a very restrictive definition. And at first she saw it, and her lawyer saw it, as a very liberal definition of unable to perform each and every duty of any occupation. So they figured, well, if she can't perform even just one duty of any gainful occupation, then she'd be totally disabled. Well, of course, that's how they proceeded with their claims, and with her claim was ultimately denied. They appealed it, and they proceeded on that same theory, and they Reliance Standard continued denying our claim. Now, they ultimately had to bring a lawsuit in federal court over this, since it was governed by ERISA. And the U.S. District Court in Maryland found that if they looked at and analyzed that definition by itself, and isolated, the any gainful occupation definition, that it could be seen or read in more than just one way. It could mean that if she was unable to perform just one occupational duty of any gainful occupation, then she was totally disabled. Or it could mean that she had to be able to perform every one of them, unable to perform every one of them, those substantial material duties. The court then also looked at the partial disability definition. They said, in reading everything as a whole, because the partial disability definition basically would allow her to